Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about PhD registration 2020 admission. Applications are invited from those who are qualified in PhD entrance test held in November 2020 of MG University. This notification is from MG University on 6th February 2021 regarding PhD registration 2020 admission. As prescribed above, this is the second notification and it is a continuation of the notification dated on 30/6/2020. This notification is about the application are invited from those who are qualified in PhD entrance test held in November 2020. Last date of submission of application is on 15th February. Hard copy of application with all the related documents should send to the university, as well as scanned copy of the application and related documents should send to the email ID given in the notification. This is the application form. Let's look out what all documents should be needed. First one is the e-payment receipt of 1050 for general students and 790 for SC/ST students. Next one is the letter of consent from the research supervising teacher in a prescribed format given on the website, and it should include the details of ongoing research scholars under his or her guidance. Third one is the letter of agreement of head of the research center in a prescribed format, which is also available in the website. Fourth one is the photocopies of identity card, maybe passport, PAN card or election ID. Next one is the copy of SSLC certificate as an age proof. Sixth one is the copy of TC from the institution last studied. Seventh one, copy of PG certificate and mark list. Eighth one, copy of MPhil certificate if an MPhil degree holder. Next one is the eligibility certificate for those who have taken PG or MPhil from other university. Next is a copy of fellowship award letter if any fellowship is granted. Next is a copy of certificate of NET, SLET, GATE, etc. And next is the copy of result of entrance test 2019 or 2020. Next is a caste certificate for SC/ST candidates, non-creamy layer for OBC candidates. Copy of medical certificate issued by medical board in case of differently abled students. Next is the no objection certificate from the employer, and the last one is the 3 copies of research proposal in a prescribed format. The format for writing the research proposal is given in the previous notification dated on 30th June 2020. Here in this notification, complete details regarding the application as well as the format for research proposal is given. Here, for writing a research proposal, 3 copies of research proposal is needed in A4 size paper. On facing sheet, it should be superscript as research proposal. After that, name and address of the candidate, discipline of the candidate, name of the research center, and title of the research should be written in a bold face and area of research. All these details should be included in the facing sheet. On next page, it should include introduction, importance or rationale of the study, objectives or hypothesis, methodology, which includes methods, sample and design of the work. Tentative of year-wise work schedule should be given. Finally, bibliography or reference. And please note that the number of pages of the research proposal should not exceed 5 pages. So that's all about PhD admission 2020-21 of MG University. If you are having any doubts regarding submission of application, format of research proposal, please mention in the comment box. I will be replying to your queries. If you like this video, please share to all the PhD aspirants of MG University. Please subscribe my channel for more information. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. Thank you.